Hi Maggie, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great.
Good. We're gonna jump out of a plane today. Will this be your first time?
Yes, it's my first time.
How are you feeling about this?
Pretty feeling excited more than nervous.
I like to hear that.
Yeah.
Is there a special reason why you're jumping today?
No, I was just eating mac and cheese a couple days ago. Decided to go skydiving.
Alright, cool. So mac and cheese to skydiving. How about
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
And who's all jumping with you today?
We have Angel, which is a friend of mine from Michigan.
Awesome.
And my dad, Mike.
Awesome. Everyone's doing what we're doing right now. Getting ready to go skydive.
Yeah?
Alright, is there anything you'd like to say to friends and family that are going to see this video later?
No.
Alright Maggie, let's have a great time and we'll see you out there.
If you feel me.
Yeah, Maggie. How was that?
Good.
You did great. Do you think you'll ever try it again?
Oh, for sure.
Awesome. Let's help get these lines off of you and everything. If you want, you can come out. There we go. You're free. One more. Cool. Everyone's down safe. Looks like they enjoyed it. Well, we got one more to go. How's Dad? He's coming down. Ah, awesome. Maggie, let's get a couple pictures of you and Carlos. He just saved your life. Here we go. Here we go. Welcome to the party. Awesome. Let me get a couple pictures, guys. Smile. Thanks for choosing Skydive DeLand, Maggie. We hope to see you again.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you.
Anytime.